I had quite a number of atrocious experiences on eBay over the last couple of months, and so I've kind of just stopped dealing with it. I have not been looking on there really, and I haven't been buying much of anything on there. And then that letter sent me something I was looking for that was on there, and so I decided to buy it, and things are not looking good. This is supposed to be a set of phones, and it looks like they just threw it in the envelope again and sent it. Now, let's see what we have here. Whatever it is, I can't imagine it's in very good condition anymore. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Well, that's my fault. I'm going to have to fix that because that just transpired while I was trying to open the thing. Yep, just what I expected. You know, I'm so sick of stupid. Why do people think that you can take a bunch of components and just throw them into a bag and everything will be fine? Hey, look at this. These things are in terrible condition now. It's astounding. I mean, look at how jacked up the finish is on this, because it was sitting in a box, getting thrown around with AC power cords. I can't take it anymore. I am so sick of stupid.